Namaste everyone. We are at the iconic market in the heart of Suva City. I'm Rajni, that is Arjun. Welcome to our channel. Okay, I want to show you the coolest looking rubbish tin. They have it everywhere in Fiji, actually. There's a groovy green one featured in our Nasori town tour video. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. Also, thank you to all who subscribed when watching the Nasori tour. We are now 1 subscriber away from reaching 100, so please subscribe so we can hit our 100. And stick around because we have a contest announcement to make. Adventures with Arjun! A lot of tables were empty because we came here at the end of the day, so people had sold their goods and left. Usually we have fish, crabs, prawns, shrimps, mussels here too, like seafood here too. But they all sell in the morning. But still, I hope you guys were able to see what some exotic fruits of Fiji looks like. And of course, the interesting broom that every household has. And look, the cool looking garbage can or rubbish tin, as Fijians would say, is here again. We will head back home in a Fiji bus. The bus station is right across the market actually, so a quick walk there. Finally, the 100 sub contest details. What you have to do to win a $50 gift card to a mystery store. You must be a subscriber, share any of your favorite video from this channel to your friends or social media, and you must comment on this video and tell me something interesting about any of the exotic fruits, vegetables I highlighted here. I will randomly draw your name from the comment section and send you the details on how to claim your prize. That's it. Thank you for being a part of my journey. I appreciate it. I love these old-fashioned buses with the open windows. Okay, the sun is falling and the night is coming. See you all another day. Thanks for watching. All the places shown here are Arjun and my favorite places to visit. Links to them are in the description below. Like and subscribe if you want to come on more adventures with Arjun. And don't forget to share if you want to bring friends. Bye-bye.